What if a brand new writer could open Brightspot for the first time and already know exactly what to do? Or perhaps your team has an established layout for their landing pages. This is content templates. It lets you pre-populate any new piece of content with its headline structure, byline, or fields your team already uses. Let's say that every product update article should kick off with the same lead-in, feature review, and always credit the same author. Instead of typing that every time, I can just click on the template right from my dashboard, and that boilerplate is already there. So I can finish the headline and write the story. So this becomes feature review, new audience segmentation tool. And next time it's feature review, faster multi-site publishing. Same consistent lead-in, different story every time. And these aren't one size fits all. You can set a template for your whole site, for a specific role like reporter, or even for one person on your team. So in this case, this content template is specifically for me. One of my favorite tricks is to take a piece of content that's already great, genericize the fields, add a preview image, and save it as a brand new content template. That means less time explaining formatting to new hires, fewer inconsistent articles, and more time actually writing, while everything still looks and reads the way your brand expects. So next time you're onboarding someone or just tired of retyping the same headline intro, give it a try.